Clive Stafford Smith. I'm a human rights lawyer, and I was called as a witness today in Julian Assange's case. And the main issue, I suppose, was how I and others like me have used the leaks from Wikileaks to bring forward incredibly important human rights issues. So, for example, the cables that Wikileaks disclosed in Pakistan, which are part of the indictment against him, include cables showing that the then Prime Minister Gilani, had said to the American ambassador, Ann Patterson, that, it's no big deal if you murder our citizens with drones. We'll complain for form in the National Assembly, but then we'll ignore them. And this is a situation where I was very deeply involved in working with many fine Pakistanis to bring litigation about my government, the United States government, murdering Pakistani people. And remember, Pakistan is one of our allies in the name of the war on terror in Waziristan, based on intelligence that was just fantastically bad. Where they were murdering children left, right, and center. And thanks to this, and thanks in large part to the cables from WikiLeaks, we were able to bring litigation that took what was hundreds of people being murdered each year in Waziristan to by 2019, where there were none, and where we begin to re-establish peace in that area, and actually the Pakistan government's now incorporated Waziristan into Pakistan proper. And I hope the world is getting to be a much better place there. So a big part of what we were doing today was discussing this and discussing how, far from being a threat to American national security, a lot of that evidence really helped us as Americans to stop an incredibly bad program that was harming America beyond measure, and more importantly, perhaps, was harming a bunch of innocent children.